Turning around. Turning around, coming down those stairs, Beans. It's awesome, isn't it? Oh, it's the flowers. Can you say hello to the flowers? Selena, where's the flowers? Where's the pretty flowers? Where's Karen's pretty pot? Nice flowers. You be gentle now, okay? Gentle as Karen's flowers. Turn around. You can do that step. You're a big girl. Good one.
We're keeping grass out of his hand. Oh, he's scary. Okay, honey.
The end of the world, eh,
Grass
buddy?
isn't a toy. Breathe in. You gotta breathe. There you go.
Owen's not happy because the grass got taken away. First his mom took away the beer, then she took away the grass.
Where are all your toys? Let's find all your toys. Look.
Selena, go over and help Owen. Can you go get him a toy?
Spider crawl.
Watching the beers.
A lot of drama over pushing grass away. Oh, hi. Look at, who's that?